Hello everyone. Last video we have discussed about increasing non-uniform motion. In this video we will discuss about decreasing non-uniform motion. Mainly the difference between the increasing and decreasing non-uniform motion is we will focus on the change in displacement for the particular time interval. In case of a uniform motion, change in displacement ds and corresponding time interval dt, ds divided by dt. So ds by dt ratio, it has a constant value. Because of that, the curve or the line, it will pass through the origin of the graph. Straight line will pass through the origin of the graph. But in case of a non-uniform motion, as the ratio ds1 divided by dt or ds divided by dt ratio is not constant for corresponding time intervals, there this curve has came. There we will not get a straight line, here we will get the curve for non-uniform motion. And here as the distance ds1, ds2, ds3, ds4, they are increasing in increasing sense. Like here is 1, 2, 3, 4. This graph we will call as increasing non-uniform motion. For the increasing non-uniform motion, we will observe the change in velocity, right? But in case of uniform motion, we will have a same velocity or constant velocity. Now we will discuss on decreasing non-uniform motion. As you can see in this graph, again for our understanding, we have divided the time interval. Now for the first time interval, this is the displacement. Then for the second time interval, this is the displacement. For the third time interval, this is the displacement. For the fourth time interval, this is the displacement. And correspondingly for the fifth time interval, corresponding the displacement. So ds1, ds2, ds3, ds4 and ds5 are the displacement corresponding to the time intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see here. So ds1, ds2, ds3, ds4, ds5 behavior of the displacement if you see. So this ds2 afterwards, the displacement value, they are decreasing. Here they are increasing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, if I see, they are in increasing sense or increasing order. But here after ds2, we can see there is decrease in the displacement. 1 to 2, there is the increase. But after 2 to 3, I will say there is a decrease in the displacement. So to this graph, we will call as a non-uniform motion with a decreasing manner or decreasing non-uniform motion, we will say. So even though this motion or this motion, both are non-uniform motion only, but this motion has a increasing sense or it is in increasing order, and this non-uniform motion, it is in a decreasing order or it has a decreasing sense. Mainly for non-uniform motion, object will travel with a variable velocity or changing velocity. But in case of a uniform motion, object will travel with a constant velocity or a same velocity. Thank you.